Starting around 02 August 2023, Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at $0.075 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.38% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. Doge really has a genuinely all-out market cap of $10,567,235,055, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $335,287,094 in an unpretentious manner. This basically makes Dogecoin, Doge, genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital money market. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin sort of be genuinely worth in 2023? For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, is Dogecoin in every practical sense, wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they really thought. Will Doge cost outperform its unsurpassed high in a by and large significant manner? These generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost generally is supposed to, in a real sense, cross a kind of normal value level of $0.090. The normal, for the most part least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $0.087 in a kind of large manner. Besides, Doge can arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.097. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Dogecoin cost really is figure to arrive at a least cost of $0.074, which truly is genuinely huge. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $0.083, with the typical expected cost around $0.081 in a quite huge manner. Doge value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Dogecoin really is supposed to especially arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $0.081. The Doge cost could fundamentally arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.086, with the for the most part normal cost around $0.084. Doge value conjecture October 2023. The Dogecoin estimate for October 2023 expects that the Doge may sort of arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.090, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.083. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Doge can by and large stretch around $0.086 for October, showing the way that discussing the typical value Doge can for the most part stretch around $0.086 for October in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Dogecoin for the most part is truly anticipated to truly arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.088, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0.093 and at least $0.084, which by and large is very critical. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation December 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.087 and $0.097 in a very huge manner, while the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.090. Dogecoin past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.49% in its truly current worth in a truly significant manner. Assuming we fundamentally look at the extremely current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin sort of is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge for the most part is down to nearly 4.78% in every practical sense. Most recent 7 days, genuinely further appearance how discussing the very normal value Doge can all things considered stretch around $0.086 for October, showing the way that discussing the by and large normal value Doge can sort of stretch around $0.086 for October in an unobtrusive manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of past really couple of days. The coin could especially have in every practical sense solid essentials at the same time. We don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource and sort of transient in a truly significant manner. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge explicitly diminished by 20.747%, dispensing with an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.020 from its ongoing worth, showing how the Doge sort of is down to nearly 4.78% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, essentially further appearance, how discussing the typical value Doge can sort of stretch around $0.086 for October, showing the way that discussing the kind of typical value Doge can generally stretch around $0.086 for October, which is genuinely critical. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a generally excellent in a real sense purchase a potential open door for speedy speculation, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 12.87%, and the cost generally circled from an especially least kind of typical cost of $0.085 to most extreme especially normal cost of $0.088 in every practical sense recent days. In truly most recent 4 months Dogecoin in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, which especially is very huge. Consequently, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin really is expanded from 4 months incredibly. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin in a real sense is up by 5.01%, with the fundamentally greatest especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $0.076, and the truly least for the most part normal cost of truly was around $0.073 in beyond 4 months, which really shows that on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin sort of be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will basically be Dogecoin essentially worth in 2023? Which fundamentally is very critical. The Doge cost truly is estimated to arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $0.097 within every practical sense, least cost of $0.087 toward the finish of 2023 in a truly significant manner. Does Dogecoin for the most part have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Dogecoin has an exceptional especially potential to generally arrive at new levels, so Dogecoin value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Dogecoin extremely worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? It sort of is conjecture that Doge will increment in esteem, showing how as far as value,